Welcome to my new food cookery video on this channel. I'm going to be showing you how to make delicious toast cooked to perfection, so here we go. Right guys, so first of all I open the grill and we light the grill to a certain temperature, high as possible. There you go, it took its time. Make sure it's lit underneath. Yep. Right, here we go. I've got my 3 slices of bread here, so I'm going to carefully put them onto the grill. Not making them too together, but try and get them all lined up as straight as you can possibly get. Now you're going to put that in and wait for it to cook. Okay, once one side's cooked, you just turn it over and you do it again, the other side. And sit here and twiddle my thumbs. Okay, right, that's done. So now you have to take it off carefully. Let it cool down for a few seconds, otherwise my hands will burn. Right, now it's cooled down, and take it off. A bit hot still, but not as hot as it was. I'm going to close the grill up, make sure it's all turned off. If you leave it on, it would melt. And basically, now you butter it. So I've got some butter here. Just open it first of all. There we go, and you butter one. Not to put too much butter on, but you can put as much butter on as you like if you wanted your own toast, but it is quite bad for you. But obviously just put a nice portion on, just so it all melts into the toast. You see what I'm doing here? Not too much, because it's not good for you. It's bad for your heart, and the fat and stuff sits on your heart. Okay, I've done that. 2 to go. Again, just butter it. Nice portion, not too much, just so it tastes nice, like nice and creamy sort of thing. Okay, 1 to go. Oh, there we go. So, better making you all hungry, family members. Okay, and yes, this last one. And there we go. All done. Right, now I'm going to put that there. Now close my margarine up. I'm going to go and enjoy my toast. I'm going to enjoy now. I'm going to tuck in. Absolutely delicious. Well, thank you for watching my first episode. You know what to do by now, family. Click on that red subscribe button to follow my latest videos, and subscribe to our Unwild Crew members as well. If you go into my channel and on the Unwild Crew channels 2019, that's the whole of our Unwild Crew. Please could you go and subscribe to them today, that would mean a lot. And yeah, so next time I'll be showing you how to make a delicious cheese on toast. So yeah, peace out.